That water is just crystal clear.
This is getting in touch with nature and things that have been here before us will be here after us, you know?
It's so cool. It's paradise.
I spend most of my waking hours in the outdoors, so it is very important to me and it's my lifeblood.
Woohoo! I like mountain biking. I like to go fast.
Great job, guys. We love coming out here. They like to go flying down the hills, just get out and enjoy nature and spend time as a family.
We are at the Manitou Passage Golf Course, just outside of Sleeping Bear Dunes. Great views. The course is in awesome shape. It's a must-see if you're a golfer and you're in the area with your family.
It's a good putt. Get there, get there, get there, get there. Boom!
It's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be.
Oh, yeah. Today we met in Fishtown and we all got on the ferry and took the 2-hour tour across the lake to beautiful South Manitou Island.
I never realized that North and South Manitou Islands were actually part of Sleeping Bear Dunes. It's extremely important for me to get out into nature, especially like working at a desk all day. That's not really what human beings are meant to be doing. I definitely feel rejuvenated after a trip like this.
The Francisco Morazan sank after hitting the shoal here in 1960 in a gale. This shipwreck is considered the most popular wreck to see for kayakers and scuba divers and free divers that want to come out. The estimated 6,000 shipwrecks are scattered throughout the Great Lakes, so finding them and exploring them is a constant adventure. And in the Manitou Passage here, we have some of the best wreck diving in the entire world.